Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for tuning in. It's your girl Beloved and I'm back with a new recipe for the channel. Beloved Catering Service is a business where we make cakes, meat pies, ring donuts, samosa, spring rolls and all kinds of fruit drinks and fruit juices, especially sobolo. We also make jollof rice and fried rice for all events and occasions. You can contact us with the information provided on your screen. Guys, as we all know, this is a very festive season, and also this month stands for the most precious month in my life because it's your girl's birthday this month and there's a whole lot to be celebrated. Since this month is my birthday month and also Christmas, I would like to call this month December to remember. Oh yes, it's indeed December to remember. And with that being said, I want to seize this opportunity to wish each and every December born here a very happy birthday. Not forgetting myself as well. And I would also like to wish each and everyone a Merry Christmas and a prosperous New Year. We hope that next year brings us so much good and so much happiness and also strong faith in God. In today's video, we will be baking Christmas themed butter cookies. Ingredients for the Christmas butter cookies include 2 room temperature eggs, 250 grams of confectionery sugar, 1.5 cup of soft room temperature butter, 3.5 cups of soft or all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of vanilla essence, red gel food color, green gel food color, gold and pearl sprinkles. Let's get started. Scoop the butter into the mixing bowl and then with the aid of the hand mixer, mix it together until it's light and fluffy. Now add in the icing sugar and then mix it with the aid of the hand mixer until the butter and the sugar are evenly combined. After that, crack the eggs open and then pour it into the mixture as you mix with the hand mixer. Now add in the vanilla essence and then combine as well. After that, place the sieve on top of the mixing bowl, pour into it the flour and then sift it into the mixture. Then combine it with the wet ingredients with the aid of the hand mixer until it mixes up evenly. Alternate the mixing and then the sifting of the flour until all the flour is mixed with the sugar, butter, egg and vanilla mixture. And with that, our cookie batter is ready. Now divide the batter into 2 or 3 parts depending on how you want the mixing to be. And then add into the first part the red food color. Mix it nicely with the butter until it's evenly combined and has this beautiful red color that you see in the video. After that, into the next bowl, add in the green food color and do the same with the mixing until you achieve the green color that you want to pipe out. Now scoop the red colored dough into a piping bag with the preferred piping tip you are going to use. Push the dough towards the tip that's placed in the piping bag and then pipe beautiful rosettes or swirls onto your paper-lined baking tray. After piping all the preferred designs with the red dough, set the tray aside and then move on to scooping the green colored dough into the piping bag with your preferred tip as well. After piping all your preferred designs with the green dough, set that tray aside as well and then pick up the sprinkles that we'll be using to decorate the cookies. For the decoration of the cookies, begin with the white pearls and then pour some onto every cookie on the tray. After that, you can add different sprinkles to give it your own finishing touch before it is baked. Do the same for the red. And these are our cookies ready to be baked. Now pop the cookies into the oven for 15 to 20 minutes at medium-low heat and 180 degrees Celsius. After 15 to 20 minutes of baking the cookies, remove them from the oven and then place them on a cooling rack or a chopping board to cool off completely. Or any other tray you have, just make sure the cookies are cool. And with that being said, our Christmas themed butter cookies are ready. Enjoy this deliciousness with your friends and family this festive season. Make your home a bit festive with these cookies. And with these simple ingredients, you are going to entertain your guests and every other person that you have with you this festive season. Show love to each and every one, and then let me know how the cookie was in the comment section below. And this brings us to the end of today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Kindly subscribe to the channel if you are new here, and turn on your post and notification icon so that you get notified anytime I upload a new video onto the channel. Also, I would like to say Merry Christmas and a prosperous New Year to each and every one of you. May God see you through this year and also the year ahead. Till we meet again, dear viewers. Bye-bye.